Hello guys, welcome back to another drone flight of Entre Legends. Today we are in Teddington in London Borough of Richmond upon Thames. So without further ado, let's take off. So I'm just taking off from this area because I'm away from trees here, so that's why I'm near a brick wall. Because there's a lot of trees in this area. So what we're going to do is going to go up to the max height, and then we're going to do a 360 photo of Teddington in the London Borough of Richmond upon Thames. So I'm just standing right here, and I'm just going to see where the best place is to take off. And actually, what I'm going to do, I'm going to send the drone towards the town centre. Then we'll do the 360 photo. I'm just going to send it here quickly, and then what we'll just do the 360 photo in this area. So we just keep going down until we go to the town centre, towards the town centre. I'm just going to go towards down here. Yep, and now we're near the town centre. We could just do a 360 photo in this area. So alright, 360 photo is now complete. What we're going to do, we're just going to zip around this area. So we're just going to go down towards the town centre of Teddington. So I was supposed to do a drone flight earlier, but then usually I do it earlier, but it's later in the day. Like I like doing it in midday because it's better weather, but it was a lot windier earlier, so that's why I waited, because now it's less windy and now I could do a drone flight. It was quite a windy day today, but then I saw in the evening it gets less, and plus I was down near Feltham with my mate. My mate's shop is in Feltham, Germans on the kebab. And I was there, and I just thought, let's go down to Teddington and do a little drone flight. So here I am, and then I'm going to go back to Feltham after this. I was going to do a second drone flight as well, but I don't think I am because of this. It's later on in the day. And there's a nice park here. There's a place called Bushy Park here in Teddington. And we're just gonna come down there. I'm near the area anyway. There's an open field here. So look at that, really amazing this shot. There's a road that goes straight down there. See, there's a bit of a gust now. See, it was a lot windier earlier. It was like 20 miles an hour, but now it's like down to like 10 miles an hour. That's why I chose now to fly the drone. Only issue is that it's later in the day, so the shadows are a bit harsher. And I've done a drone flight in Feltham before, just a few drone flights ago, and I actually showed my friends a joint as well. So I decided to come down to Teddington. It's literally one bus to Teddington. Like, I took a SL7 to come down here. And it's really quick because it's just one bus to Teddington, which is actually amazing. I'm just gonna keep going down. Really open. Look how big that is. I wanna go down towards that area. Just gonna keep going down towards it. We're going in headwind, so when we come back, we'll come back in tailwind. I'm gonna walk to where it's nice and open. It's a lot of it's a really nice area. A lot of cyclists here as well. It's really green in this area. Yeah, I like it so much here. Look at the way it's crazy to see the way the trees go down. I need to get shots with my camera after this, some cinematic shots, because that is actually amazing, this park. I'm going to keep going down there. I'm going to go towards that little pond area. Look at that, it's really nice and open here. So I'm going to come back because I don't want to get too much signal loss. So I'm just going to come back towards this area and just get a shot here, because hear how quiet it is here. Amazing. You know what I'm going to do? Let's go back there to that area. There's a little fountain here. Let's orbit that, because that is amazing. Look at that shot. That is amazing. And near that fountain area anyway. Really, really big park here in the London Borough of Richmond upon Thames. You can hear that noise, it's so like peaceful. All you can hear is like really quiet. Just so quiet here. Really nice open area. I like to get a shot of something different like here. Look at that. Just go all the way around this, because that is amazing. You know what we'll do? We'll go towards that area. Look at that. That is amazing. It's a fountain. It pumps water to and from the area. Diana Fountain, that's amazing. So it's really amazing, this area. Really, really nice and open. I wanted to get a shot of Richmond. We're just going to stay nice and high up. Don't go too low because there's people down there. We're just going to stay nice and high. Really open area, isn't it? You can hear it even later in the evening. It's still nice and sunny outside. I'll see if I'll do another drone flight near Feltham. If not, then I'll probably just do it next time. I want to go somewhere out out of London. Like I want to get shots of areas like the seaside. I want to go down towards the coast and get some nice shots. Like I remember last year I did it in Botany Bay. At this time around this time last year, I did a drone flight in Botany Bay, which is in Kent. I'm probably going to do another drone flight like there soon. Or somewhere like Lake District or Peak District. Because I mean, I went Lake Peak District in 2022 and I made a video there. I want to go there again. Hopefully this summer I'll go there again and I'll get some nice drone shots there as well. I'll bring my drone with me and get some nice camera shots. So yeah, it's really, look at that. It's different. We're in London, we're in Greater London, but it doesn't look like it because of the countryside. It's actually amazing. Oops, got some gimbal roll. It's like we're in the countryside. A big open park here. I don't understand, the wind's blowing northbound. It says it's blowing northbound, yet it's coming back slower when we're coming back north. We should be getting tailwind. The wind should be helping the drone, but no, it's making it harder for the drone. Maybe I checked it wrong. Maybe it was southbound. I think I was checking a different day. I need to check it properly because I could feel it actually blowing from the south. Actually, it's blowing from the west actually. Yeah, it's blowing from the west. I think it's inaccurate. So that's why the drone's struggling a little bit. So yeah, that used a big chunk of our battery, but we're just going to stay in this area now. I'm going to get another nice shot of Teddington, the town centre. That's why we're here. But there's a massive park here. That's why I wanted to get another shot of this area. We've been down there before, but we're going to go down there again. So we've got the Teddington station. I think the South Western Railway goes through here. SWR, which is the South Western Railway. Let's get a shot of that. we use a significant chunk of a battery in that area. Cause it's not even that windy today, but somehow it's still got its presence. Which doesn't make any sense. Let's get a shot down this area. See, the sun's a bit lower down in the sky, so we won't get nice shots here, but we'll get nice shots if we come to this open area. So I'm just going to come back down here. So you've got the area of Bushy Park down here. Oh, sorry, Teddington. Why I keep saying, it's because that's where I am, that's why. Get shut down this area. We'll go down here as well. We won't go too far, we'll just stay in this area down here. Let's get a shot of the other side of Broad Street. It's a nice area to fly, isn't it? Get a shot of the residential area as well. You can hear the insects like making the noises. It's really interesting, isn't it? Yep, it's a bit too windy, so we're just gonna head back now just to be safe. So just come back down towards there. So you've got the station area down there. How did the drone just suddenly stop moving? Because of the wind so strong. It just stops and it starts. Just come back towards down there. Get a nice shot in this area. The car going through here. Yeah, it's a nice area. Let's see where this car's going to turn. Right, it's going to go down there anyway. Let's go towards the town centre through this road. We haven't been through this road, haven't we? Actually, I think we have, but let's go down there. Let's get a top-down shot of the roundabout area. Actually, we might run out of battery, so we're not going to risk it. We're just going to come back. We're just going to follow the blue car back. Look at that. It's a really nice tropical shot. At the same speed as a blue car. Doesn't matter, we'll just keep getting shot. I literally just saw that bus and now I'm seeing it a drone shot. It's kind of amazing. So we haven't been down here before, haven't we? Towards this area, look at that. We should do that. We should get a shot here. But it's too late now. Our battery's gonna die soon. So, alright, let's get a shot of this lake. Actually, we maybe can't because battery's gonna die soon. Actually, we'll descend as we go there, and then we'll descend as we come back as well, and then we actually compromise. We'll bring the drone back at the same time. Look at that. Let's get a quick shot of this, and then we'll just land it. Look at that. Nice open area, isn't it? I'll bring the drone back now. Look at that, that's an amazing shot, isn't it? Bring the drone back here as we descend. We'll just get a shot of this area down there. Make sure we don't clip a tree. Of course we won't do that, but... Oops, loud noise now. Should go towards this, so get a shot of this area. Let's start recording. I'm gonna land it away from the sun because let's land it before the drone decides to land suddenly. Oops, a bit windy. Anyway, that was my amazing drone flight here in Teddington in the London Borough of Richmond upon Thames. I hope you enjoyed this drone flight, and yeah guys, I'll speak to you in the next one. Thank you for watching.